let's go southwestern today and make black bean soup. I've already started it by sauteing some vegetables. That's onion, carrot, celery, green bell pepper, some cilantro, and I'm going to mix them up until they're nice and soft. And then I will add in some chopped tomato and some garlic. And I've got 2 cans of rinsed and drained black beans, and I'll add that to the mixture. And once I've incorporated them into the vegetables, I'll move them to a larger soup pot and then cover them with water, bring it to a boil, and reduce it to a simmer and cook them. Now I drained the beans and vegetables through a strainer and I reserved the liquid, and I'll actually start with a scoopful of that liquid in my blender and then add the vegetables and then puree them until they're smooth. And finally, to add some real southwestern kick, I'll add some salsa. That's a whole jar, and I chose medium heat, and some cumin for a nice smoky flavor, and I'll blend again. Thick or thin, you're going to love this black bean soup, so get the recipe by writing to me here at the station, or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim, thanks for watching. The tastiest 2 minutes in television, and I'll see you next time.